What is up, Copy Squad? Today we're going to jump into a new sales letter breakdown. We're going to go over a trading webinar deck. So we've been going over a bunch of big idea promos recently. And in this time, we're going to go over something a little bit more mechanism driven, a little more where the idea revolves around the mechanism itself, a mechanism promo. I think what's super important about doing the webinar presentation is pointing out that it doesn't matter if it's a webinar or if it's a sales letter like a VSL style like we've been doing, how these things sort of just go the same way regardless. So without any further ado, I'll go ahead and share screen and we'll jump right into it. So there'll be start with unique, then useful, then urgent, then ultra specific. So starting with unique. Tonight, world premiere, engineered options, weird weekly option, doubled our money 31 times in 2025. We believe it could do it again in 2026. Tonight, the guys will share the details behind their next money doubling opportunity free of charge. Is it unique? We'll just say yeah. I'm going to say yeah because we have the engineered options label, which is a mechanism, and then we have the word weird. I just did a presentation in a mastermind this weekend, and a big part of that was my whole presentation was on Nesby and expressing the big four selling emotions in copy. And one of the points that I kept pushing over and over in the presentation was here's some $1 million copy, and look how they presented the Nesby emotions. One line said, "This is the easiest way I've ever seen to make money. It doesn't get much easier than this." I was like, there were people in there who were, Mark Ford was there. There was billionaires in the room. And what I was trying to stress during the presentation was look how straightforward they are with the big four selling emotions. I'm saying this because we got the word weird and weekly option. I mean, like, there's some Nesby application, but the word weird is enough to say it's unusual. To say it's unique, you could just say this is unique. It could be that simple. You don't have to complicate it, is what I'm trying to say. All right, next, is it useful? Doubled our money 31 times and we'll do it again. Yep. Is it urgent? It's starting at 7. Doesn't really have a deadline. 2026, free of charge. I think there's some urgency to this to like watch this presentation, like don't miss, because we have the 7 o'clock start time. And then we also have like, this is going to go down in 2026. So it's not as clear as like what we like to see, which is all of this is happening on January 5th, right? It's what we like to see is like a strong, crystal clear, concrete deadline, but not so much. Ultra specific. Now, when we're looking for an ultra specific, most old school copywriters, and I would say these copywriters are a little bit out of touch. They would do, if they're still doing it today, they would basically paint it out as, a very specific result number. They'd say you could make $11,352 in 20 days or something like that. I talk about it on every breakdown. What we want for ultra specificity is something concrete and real to prove that this isn't made up phony baloney. Doubled our money 31 times, absolutely specific. We believe we could do it again in 2026. Fine. Cool. All that's good. This is friendly reminder. This is disclaimer. Here we go. Jumping into the copy. There's a third one actually. Yeah, this is disclaimer. So right out of the gate. And we know how we do this in the Copy Squad. It's still worth mentioning that we are in Act 1. And in Act 1, we want to get to what's in it for me as quickly as humanly possible. So here I'm going to write what we do in Act 1 is the lead. This is what you would call it. And the question we want to address is what's in it for me? And we're going to start with pattern interrupt, trigger BS, cred, and demos. So, hi everyone, I'm Lance. Today I'm going to show you how to target money doubling returns every 7 days. Right out of the gate, going with, your pattern interrupt is your trigger BS. Cool. Now I realize it's a very bold claim. So yeah, right out of the gate, he hits you with the trigger BS, and he knows he's hit you with the trigger BS because he's addressing the skepticism. James says, most options promos don't come out talking about options in the headline. This seems different. I was at a presentation in January where a marketing director, it's a guy named Brett Holmes, and he used to be like the marketing director at Money Map Press back in the day, and now he does consulting. I think he made a specific mention that options aren't a mystery to people anymore. Like 12-year-olds are trading options now. You can just come out with it. Anyway, now I realize it's a very bold claim, shouldn't be taken lightly. Cool. But What we're about to show you might just change the way you approach trading forever. So again, just staying at the matter of Nesby. So it will change the way you approach trading, means it's something new that you've never done before, it's different, but it's a big deal. It's going to trade how you do this forever. It's going to change how you do it forever. Cool. Moving on to this one. You see, over the last 60 days, my team has been field testing a radically new type of option. So something I want to highlight here is it's not just new, it's radically new type of option. Type of option is going to get the purple underline because this is for a mechanism. You know, you've got mechanism. You could call it type of option. And what would be the parallel analogous of something else? You would do like a force of nature and you would call it an opportunity or phenomenon or anomaly. I'm pointing this out because a lot of you guys want to come out of the gate and just sort of give it like, I don't know how to explain. You want to explain in the copy why or how it's so different in like line 1. And that makes sense why you would want to, because I tell you to. I tell you, like, make it new and different. But it's okay to sort of introduce it, set the context, and then elaborate, right? So taking these 3 slides at the top, for instance, double your money every 7 days. Pretty ordinary. I mean, the concept is straightforward, I mean, it's cool to double your money every 7 days. It's insane. And then he says, hey, I know that's crazy, but it's going to change the way you approach it. So this is just new. Radically new type of option. I wrote vague as not to say that's bad, but to say you can be vague, that you're presenting a new opportunity. I have some notes in red here I want to pay attention to. Why we are here today, right? We are coming to you now because we just saw something. There's some sort of breaking new thing. That's just another expression of new. So one of the most important things I talk about all the time is that your copy come across as new. Something I want to do really quick is I'm going to pull up, I had an idea. I'm going to pull up a promo that I know does this. So this is the Rapid Cash Flow Summit. We broke this down like a long time ago, like 2-3 years ago. Tonight, my guest will reveal a stunning new way, right out of the gate, a new way to quickly inject huge piles of cash into your accounts without touching any risky investments. Then a little bit of cred, and then more about his results, his cred. He says, but that's all in the past. So it's like tied to today. After the 1-2 punch millions of Americans have suffered this year from the market crash and rampant inflation, Luke has once again turned to big data to provide the solution millions of Americans are searching for, a way to generate tens of thousands of dollars in additional income. There might be, I don't know if 70-cent crypto is a good one for this. We'll just pull it real quick, just to look. Hey, Jim Rickards with an urgent message. Take a look at the pocket change in my hand, 70 cents. All it takes for you to claim a stake. All for you to claim a stake in what CNBC has called the hottest new cryptocurrency of 2018. So this is sort of that as well. And what I'm trying to say is we are here today coming to you now because there is a new way to, is what I'm trying to point out. There is a new way to get results. And so the way we make this seem like breaking, that's what I'm trying to point out. I want this to feel like breaking news. That's the point of these lines. Over the last 60 days, meaning we just came to this conclusion. Does everyone understand what I'm saying there and why I'm saying it? It says why we are coming to you now. We just discovered this / came to this conclusion recently. Okay, so I got one person that says they understand what I'm saying. Do you also understand why I'm saying it? This makes it feel like it's not just this evergreen promotion or marketing message. Patiel says, almost like an address to the nation or emergency broadcast feel. Yes, I had to get this to you now. Why? Because over the last 60 days, we have been working on this, and we basically have now emerged. Okay? We're going to show and share what we discovered. That's what I'm trying to say. What we have is a new way to get result. One that's been engineered to double our money even when the market moves by a fraction of a percent.